Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. It's a summertime and it's really hot in Florida here, and I love to prepare my favorite non-alcoholic mojito. It's quite a little bit healthy because I use a lot of herbs in there, lime. So let me show you how to prepare mojito. To prepare non-alcoholic mojito, I use fresh mint, basil, fresh lime, some ice, sea salt, and sparkling water. You can use even Sprite or some other favorite soda of yours, or club soda even works if you don't want any kind of sugar in your non-alcoholic mojito. In water that I'm using is also 0 calories, 0 sugar, so it's up to you, but some kind of sparkling soft drink will make great mojito. So tear apart mint, or you can just chop roughly, and basil if you have. Otherwise you can just only make with mint as well, but since I have a basil blooming in my garden, I always love to add basil as well. Then sea salt, nice, and take quarter of lime for each glass. Squeeze lime juice as much as you can and just throw the lime in it, and throw the lime in and muddle it, like bruise it basically. Add crushed ice. I prefer to add crushed ice. And finally add sparkling water or your favorite soda. So non-alcoholic mojito is ready. Get the straw in. Alright, so here I have the mojito ready without alcohol. Even kids can have this instead of all other sugary juices. Cheers. Trust me, it is very refreshing. The flavor of fresh lime, basil, mint, it's just amazing. By the way, you can also throw in some fruits such as strawberries. Just slice your favorite fruit such as strawberry and just, infuse with extra flavors. I also like orange flavored when I juice out fresh from orange. Also mango. So there are several flavors to try from. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And you can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is almost everywhere. Don't forget to download my apps on iOS and Android devices. Also, you can watch me on big TV screen. By the way, I made this mojito today with my sandwich, sub sandwich. Thanks for watching and see you soon.